Hey guys, Joshua Peterson here with Peterson Electric. Want to go over you today about an underground spa. Feeding underground to a spa and then a fire pit. The landscaper's doing all of this work. It's kind of like a beach sand, so every time it gets cold and freezes, it's like a nightmare to trench out here. So just so you know, if the circuit is 120 volt, 12 gauge, 20 amp GFCI from the line side, then you can go ahead and bury that at 12 inches. If the circuit's going to be a 240 volt, you need to be at 18 in a piece of PVC conduit, schedule 40. So basically, all we're doing ahead of time is we're putting in our disconnect here. We are having to change the service on this panel up over here because it's only 100 amp. We need to go to 150 and get some breaker spots. We'll pipe over and down, and then they're putting in a gas line with this. But yeah, we just basically 15 foot up and down here, schedule 80, merging out of ground. Use your slip sleeves right here, your couplings, some mini straps to keep the water off the siding, and schedule 80 twisted out for the inspector because your green line. And then right here, these are some pretty gnarly bends, but you got to use a heat box on some of these bends just to kind of manipulate that as the trench goes. You do have to be in mind of not having more than 490s at 360 degree of bends. Otherwise it gets a little difficult pulling wire. Here's one of our heat boxes. This is about an average of $400, made by Greenlee. There's another one I want to get that's about, I think it's an 8-footer, but that's about $1,000. So we're looking at getting one of those just because when you bend it and heat it, the whole stick heats up so you can really manipulate around curves better. But yeah, make sure you get your inspections on that stuff. If you have any questions on that on YouTube, just get back to us. But again, getting all that underground in firsthand and looked at, real important to make sure that's solid. Thanks, guys.